Welcome back to Industrial Hardware and Specialties online tutorials. We offer you technical information in the spirit of educating our customer, but we are not engineers and always recommend that an engineer review any suggestion that we offer or may be implied through the information that we disseminate. We will always recommend safety as our first concern. With that being said, please enjoy the following informative lesson. What is rolled thread versus cut thread, and who cares? For many years, cut thread bolts were the standard, and there are still many companies that employ that technology. A cut thread bolt is made from a bar which is the same diameter as the thread to be produced. For example, a 1-inch thread is made from a 1-inch diameter bar. It is that simple, but an expensive method in today's fast-paced competitive environment. The biggest advantage is that cut threader can be set up in minutes and produce a relatively small requirement shortly thereafter. We maintain inventory to thread up to 2-inch diameter ASTM A36 bar in our facility to accommodate your emergency requirements. A roll thread bolt is made from pitch diameter wire. Pitch diameter is approximately half the height of the theoretical triangle forming the thread. As the forming die applies pressure to the bar, it depresses material to form the minor diameter of the thread and consequently displaces the remaining material to form the crest of the major diameter. The event is very similar to squeezing clay, dough, or any soft material in your hands. Your fingers form the minor diameter, so to speak, and the material oozing from your fingers creates the major diameter. The difference is when forming a thread, the major diameter is also constrained so that the upset thread creates a major diameter that is uniform throughout its length. There is also no thread chatter, which is slight thread tearing, that may be seen with cut threads. There are other differences too. The most significant difference is the functional difference of the bolt. If in shear through the thread, there will be no significant difference, although roll threading may work harden the thread and consequently improve the shear capacity. However, this is not the case through the unthreaded section of the bar. A rolled thread also lends itself to be superior in tensile strength. Overall, the roll thread product is superior to cut threading, but neither technology is suitable for all applications. The pitch diameter bar of the rolled thread anchor bolt will have a smaller cross section and consequently a reduced shear value. It also reduces the amount of steel required, hence reducing raw material and transportation costs. If an engineer is expecting the cross section of a full-bodied cut thread in a shear plane, he must specify either a cut thread bolt, higher strength material, or a larger diameter bolt in anticipation that a rolled thread bolt will be supplied. Frequently, specifications permit a cut or rolled thread to be supplied at the manufacturer's discretion unless otherwise specified. One last important point. Many standard bolts, yet not anchor bolts, are now made with full diameter bolt body. Only the area to be roll threaded is pitch diameter. Consequently, once the bolt is threaded, it appears and functions as a full-bodied bolt with a high-quality rolled thread. We thank you for joining us for this tech tip. Be sure to register on our site to receive updates when new tech tips are posted.